Creating videos and images from text prompts has become increasingly accessible with advancement in AI technology. One such tool is Haiper AI, which allows users to generate videos and images by simply inputting text descriptions. To get started with Haiper AI, visit the Haiper AI website or download the mobile application. First, sign up using your email address or social media accounts to access the platform's features. In the app section, you will find options like text to image, text to video, image to video, video duration extension, and video enhancement. For example, if you want to create an image, click on the text to image options, then add your prompt describing the image you want to create. Next, click on the settings icon to select the image resolution. If you want to exclude something from the image, describe it in the negative prompt section. Finally, choose the aspect ratio such as 9:16 and click on create. Keep in mind that the creations on this platform are public by default. To make them private, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan. Under the pre plan, you get 100 credits and can use up to 3 concurrent creations. You can also create watermark-free images. For more features, consider upgrading to a paid plan. The Explorer plan costs $8 per month and provide 1500 credits, while the Pro plan costs $24 per month and offers 5000 credits. There are additional plans such as Ultra, Max, Unlimited, and Enterprise APIs. You can choose based on your needs. The same process applies to create AI-generated videos. Use the text-to-video option, input your prompt, and adjust settings such as resolution, duration, negative prompts, and camera movement. You can also create videos from images by selecting your image, adding a prompt for desired changes, and configuring the settings accordingly. Additionally, you can also increase video duration and enhance video quality from here. By using your AI creations, you can also earn money. Simply create AI videos, publish them on social media platforms, and if your content goes viral, you will attract followers and potentially secure brand deals, allowing you to monetize your creations. By following these steps, you can effectively use Haiper AI to enhance your content creation process and explore monetization opportunities.